Welcome to Python Pyro. Today we will write functions to read messages in all Telegram chats, unsubscribe from channels and subscribe to them again. Let's start it. We need to write a handler that will intercept messages. It should not intercept everything, but only self messages and only commands, so we use the appropriate filters. The getDaylogs method in Pyrogram returns an asynchronous generator object, so we use an async for loop to iterate through its elements. Let's test our program and see what types of objects are contained in the generator. Oops, I made a mistake. To combine two filters, you need to use the AND symbol. From the console output you can see that the generator contains dialog objects with different types of chat, channel and private. These types are contained in pyrogram.enums. We will work only with channels. To read messages, use the read chat history method. For a small delay before the function runs, import essentio and write sleep for a few seconds. Now let's run our code. Oh yes, everything works. Now let's write a function to unsubscribe from channels. But first, let's save the list of our channels. We will need it in the future. We will save the list to a file. For convenient work with it, you can use pickle or JSON. Okay, everything works. The list of channel IDs was successfully received and saved to a JSON file. We write a command, waiting for the delay time. And you can see how all the channels we were subscribed to disappear. By the way, these are channels of Russian propagandists. Fuck them. For the test, unfortunately, we will sign up for this shit again. Previously we saved the ID in a JSON file. Before using them, let's check whether the list is read correctly. To subscribe to channels in Pyrogram, there is a join chat method. But be careful, some chats may be closed and you can only subscribe to them via an invitation link. To avoid such problems, we use a try except block. Let's launch the program. Now we are again subscribed to the channels from our list, except for one, which turned out to be closed. A message about this was displayed in the console. And finally, I want to make two separate functions for subscribing and unsubscribing from channels in Telegram. The commands for them will also be different. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe to this video. Write in the comments what other topics interest you.